Meetings are really kind of core feature of Teams. If you don't know, Teams actually came from Skype. So Microsoft purchased Skype a while back. They kind of branded that into Skype for Business for businesses, and that's evolved into Microsoft Teams. And so with that in mind, obviously the core functionality of Skype was always just one-to-one chat, video chats, conferencing. That's a core feature of Microsoft Teams now. And so they have this feature called Meet Now. You're going to see it all over the place. This is one really good example. Down at the bottom of the screen there, you'll see the red box hovering over that purple video camera icon. And when you click on that, when you're within a channel of a team, you can just instantly meet with everyone in that team. They'll get an alert that you're starting a meeting, and they can jump right in, share their camera and microphone, and kind of just begin conversing with you. It's a great way to do, quick stand-up meetings. Maybe you have a sales staff that is all remote and they want to meet, for 5 or 10 or 15 minutes every morning and touch base. It's a really convenient and easy way to do that.